Welcome to 6 Point Driving School in Bedford, most trusted and reliable driving school in Bedford with highest first-time pass rate. We provide manual and automatic driving lessons in Bedford. Our intensive driving courses help you to pass within 1 to 2 weeks. Our courses are flexible to fit your needs. This is the fastest way to pass your driving test. You will learn to drive in a relaxed and fun environment, and same time we make you confident and safe drive for life. Our 6 Point driving schools in Bedford provide great, affordable driving lessons throughout Bedford and local areas. We also cover Biddenham, Biggleswade, Broham, Clapham, Cople, Cardington, Cranfield, Kempston, Marston Mortain, Renhold, Sandy, Shortstown, Oakley, Stewartby, St Neots, Shefford, Wilstead, Wixhams, Wooton and surrounding area. For more information visit our website or send an email.